In this video, we will be highlighting the perfect treatment for severely dry and damaged hair using the Deep Cleansing Shampoo, the Proplex Reconstructor, and the Hydrating Conditioner in the Influence Hair Care product line. Before washing, it is best to comb out the hair thoroughly to get out any knots and tangles. The Deep Cleansing Shampoo is a shampoo that effectively removes residual buildup, chlorine, and has a gentle formula that thoroughly cleanses without stripping away natural oils. Some benefits include provides sheen, detangles, and is non-stripping. To use, wet the hair thoroughly with warm water. Apply an ample amount of Deep Cleansing Shampoo and gently massage into a rich lather. Rinse and repeat as needed. On this model, because she has a lot of hair, it is very important to shampoo each section of the hair thoroughly. Because of the concentration of the shampoo, you only need to shampoo the hair twice. Towel blot hair and proceed with the Proplex Reconstructor. With the Proplex Reconstructor, you can revive lifeless or severely damaged hair using this high-impact hair treatment. Some benefits include strengthens, seals cuticles, and repairs damaged hair. Apply Proplex Reconstructor to saturate each strand of hair thoroughly and comb from scalp to ends for even distribution. Cover hair with plastic cap and sit under dryer for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and towel blot. Proceed with Influence Hydrating Conditioner to soften hair. The Hydrating Conditioner by Influence has natural botanicals in this lightweight conditioner and rejuvenates, strengthens, and nourishes. 3 great benefits include softens, penetrates quickly, and detangles. To use, apply a generous amount of hydrating conditioner to towel-dried hair. Distribute evenly throughout the hair, combing hair from scalp to ends. Let sit for 5 to 8 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. When completed, I like to use the coconut leave-in and S3 serum before blow drying the hair. You may now style as desired. And that's it. Your guests can now enjoy healthier, stronger, and beautiful hair. To learn more about our products and to purchase yours today, visit www.influencehaircare.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.